Guys, I'm Debbie. This is my kitchen sink. These are garbage disposal cleaning tabs from Active. Active sent me these in exchange for my honest opinion, and I've loved everything I've tried from Active, so I'm really excited to try these out. This is a 1-year supply right here. It comes with 24 tabs. Can we just talk about Active's packaging first before I demo this? Because it's always so good. It's so helpful and clear. Another thing that drew me to this product in particular is that right there. Septic safe ingredients. I am on a septic system, so everything I use that goes down the drains in my house needs to be septic safe. Let me show you the packaging here because it's brilliant. On the back, they have super clear instructions. They always do, illustrations, and they go into detail on things, even saying things like, when you reduce the water to a slow trickle, it should be less than the width of a pencil. I mean, slow trickle, what does that mean, right? But they do a really great job of explaining exactly what they mean, so this is super foolproof. This is what the tabs look like. All right, so first I'm supposed to run this with hot water for a full minute. I'll come back when this is ready to go. We have reduced to trickle. Now I want to make sure this is away from the drain. I pop these tablets in all the way in, and now I just run my garbage disposal for a full minute. It smells good. Oh, look at that. The instructions also say that you might not see foam coming up in your sink, and if that's the case, don't worry about it. It's still in there filling up with foam and cleaning out your garbage disposal. It's been a minute. I'm turning it off. Rinse it down. We're done. I only ran it for a minute. What the directions actually say to do is to let it run until the foam goes back down. I think I did it right. It certainly smells fresh in here. I'm pretty excited about this. What do you think?